guys, welcome back to Made by Nale. Today I'll be showing you how I made these electric pants. Let's get it. So I started off by having some bleach and I made sure to put card underneath so it doesn't seep through. Then I just kind of made some wiggly lines with the bleach because this just adds layers and dimension. So keep doing that over and over until it's like this. Now with my paint, I started drawing thin lines along where I bleached the pants, if that makes sense. And I just kept on making some fine lines and some smaller lines. And yeah, this is a quick time lapse. It's a very messy job, but yep, that's how I managed to get these pants. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.